I know your mad in love, it's a good relationship, and a lot of people want to know first of all, how did you meet?
Well, I had organised a charity night with a friend of mine, and we sold a few more tickets than we were expecting. So he said he was going to invite a mate of his along to give me a hand on the door. So we had loads of people coming in, and Tim helped me collect the tickets. And yeah, we just got chatting as the night went on and got to know one another. And
so was there an instant chemistry, Sharon? Did you like him straight away? Was there something quick?
Definitely instant for me.
We did the chasing, we did the, you know what I mean? There's one more done with it.
It was Sharon.
Flirty